Hi all, welcome to Parambra SSS Key to Ease English program. Key second part. In the part 1, the key part 1, we have seen a story, we have read a story, and you have written a story. Certain stories which you have sent to us were excellent and fabulous. Keep it up. Let us read that story once again. Hope you remember this story. I'm going to encircle certain words from this story. First one is this Miku. Next one is devil. And the third one is Roja. Another one is cat. And next one is Punnu. And next one is Russia. Like that, I am going to encircle certain words from these stories and let us discuss on that one. These are the words I have encircled. Have a look at it. Have a look at the words Mikku, Roja, cat, Punnu, tail, Russia, devil, aquarium, lockdown, school, Hema, kitchen, garden, news, Rojas, bouquet, bunch, sincerity, dedication. What category of words are these? Have a look again. Miku, devil, Roja. Have a look at these words and find out any similarity between these words. Now the question is, what function does these words do? Miku is a name of a cat. Devil is also a name. Roja is a name of a girl. Cat, we know it's a name. Punnu is a name. Like that, these all are naming words. Don't you think, Clara? That is, these all words are naming words. They are names of something, some person, some country, some river, like that. So we can say these are naming words. They are naming words, or in the case of grammar, we can call it as nouns. We can call them as nouns. So, we're going to study in detail about nouns in this session. Certain features of these words, that is, by adding s or es at the end, these words will change into plural forms. What is plural forms? More than one. Example, if you are adding s to cat, it becomes cats. If you are adding s to flower, flowers. If you are adding es to bench, benches. If you are adding es to wish, wishes. Of course, there are exceptions for this one also. Exceptions means ഒഴിവുകൾ. Man, plural is men only. Woman, plural is women. So new words are coming. But commonly we can say that by adding s or es, these type of words become plural. Another feature is by putting an apostrophe. This is apostrophe. And s. These words become possessive in nature. What is possessive means? Roja, rojas, rojayude. Hema, apostrophe s, hemas, hemayude. Cat apostrophe s become cats. That is catinde. India apostrophe s, Indias, Indiayude. So that ude, inde forms are formed by adding apostrophe s to these words. There are exceptions are there, of course. Girls versus girls. Plurals, if you are putting apostrophe s, that is wrong. You need only put. So here you can see girls. This is plural. Girls in the. Here girls is no need of writing. Boys. It's a plural. If you are putting apostrophe only, it will become again possession is coming versus boys. Hope you understood this one difference. Okay. Here also another feature is these words often will have a word like a, an, or the before it. For example, a cat, the girl, an elephant, the bouquet, like that. These words are known as articles, but it doesn't mean that all words must have that one, but often it is seen like that. Now, these nouns can be broadly classified into two types, proper noun and common noun. Proper noun and common noun. Let us see what is proper noun and what is common noun. Proper nouns, the names of a person, things, places, mountains, rivers, etc. are called proper noun. For example, Roja, a person's name. Punnu, again a name. Russia is the name of a country. Chermala is the name of our mountain nearby our school. Bharatapuzha, name of a river. These are all names mentioning a person, things, places, mountains, rivers are called proper noun. While writing these words, we use capital letters at the beginning. You can see here Roja, R is capital, P is capital here, R is again capital here, C, B, like that. So, proper nouns will be written with capital letters. Next classification is common nouns after proper noun. So, these common nouns refer to any person or things of the same kind or class. For example, cat. You know, cat, all cats will be called as cat. And devil, all devils, including me, are called like that one. Tail, all tails. Aquarium, school, kitchen, garden, all these things are common nouns. For this one, no need to begin with a capital letter. Okay, so we have seen examples for proper noun and common noun. So before concluding the session, let me invite your attention to a wonderful story written by one of our students and read it. And there is a task after that one. Often we are giving a task, a very simple task. We can see both. This is a story written by Anusri of 9th F. Her photograph is here and you can see. And Friendship is the title she has given. And she has written a wonderful story. And I sought her permission also. I called her, congratulated her. And now read this story. And what you have to do is, after reading Anusri's story, complete the worksheet. 3 proper nouns I have given from our old story. And 3 common nouns also have written. And read Anusri's story and identify proper nouns and common nouns and complete this table. And you may search for proper nouns and common nouns from your surrounding or the books which you have read. So wish you all the best. So attempt the activity which you have given to you, complete it and send to us in the group. You can either write or just type it and send to us. Don't hesitate. Wish you all the best. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.